Friends, the role exposure to nature can play in our lives has been very little understood, especially in the scientific terms. How the natural laws of health can improve our overall health, immunity, and the pleasure and happiness in life. Our life connected to spirituality is very important, and we need to understand the science of it. Even the quantum physics has proven that the Vedic knowledge of science, Vedic knowledge of spirituality is very, very critical, very important in our lives. We are organizing an international webinar on 25th of October, Sunday. Full day webinar starting from 8:30 in the morning till 5:30 p.m. It's a free webinar. Anyone is welcome to connect on YouTube channel PMC Raj, PMCRAJ. Just write in youtube.com PMC Raj and you will be there. You will have opportunity to listen to very eminent speakers like Professor Amit Goswami from University of Oregon, Brahm Rishi Subhas Patriji, Dr. N.K. Sharma, Atul Bhai Shah, Dr. Kalpana Jain, Dr. H.C. Jain, K.C. Jain Saab, Dinesh Kukreja ji. All are very eminent speakers in their own domains of health and spirituality, quantum science, behavioral aspect spirituality, the fundamental science of karma and observation. It's a great opportunity, friends, to inculcate a greater connection of nature, health and spirituality. All are welcome. Please spread the message around and you are welcome to join with friends and families. Thank you.